Your brain is not your ally. It does not want to make you stronger. Its job is to protect you from risk, even if that means keeping you weak, scared, and silent. That is exactly why it is so hard for you to do hard things. The moment you try to break ahead, your own mind pulls the emergency brake. But today, this game ends. I'm going to show you how to bypass that mechanism and make your brain obey you. First, it was built to keep you weak. Your brain does not care about your goals. It cares about one thing only: survival. That is exactly why it whispers to you, don't go to the gym, rest. Scroll your phone a little longer, you'll start tomorrow. It is always pulling you toward what is easy. But the easy path does not make people strong. It turns them into spectators, consumers, the kind of people who dream a lot but never actually take action. And the longer you listen to that voice, the more you become a hostage to your own mind. Step 2. Make pain your fuel. Winning is not about spending your whole life running from pain like it is a debt collector and you have no registered address. Winning is about rewiring what it means. Because most people look at pain like a red warning light. Oh, danger! Back up! Hide! But no, pain is not the enemy. Pain is the bill. It is the price of growth, of clarity. It is the tax you pay for strength. Every time your brain starts whining, I don't feel like it, you do not negotiate with it. You go exactly where it is hard, because that is where change begins. Not tomorrow, now. Step 3. The 3-second switch. The moment you start hesitating, the brain grabs the wheel again. And as we have already figured out, it loves that sweet little word, later. That is why you literally have 3 seconds to trigger action. After that, it is over. The excuses start, the inner bargaining kicks in, the maybe a little later voice shows up, and most likely you will not start at all. It works very simply. You wake up and do not want to get out of bed? 3, 2, 1, get up. You do not want to go to the gym and you have started doubting yourself? 3, 2, 1, begin. No analysis, just movement. Because action cuts through excessive thinking faster than those thoughts can tie your hands. And hesitation is the brain's favorite weapon when it does not want you to change. Step 4. Daily war mode. You do not need a perfect 30-step plan. All of that looks very nice right up until your brain says, yeah, screw that, let's start on Monday. What you actually need is a small daily dose of discomfort, like a ritual. A cold shower, 50 push-ups, 20 minutes of light cardio, saying the thing you have always been afraid to say, waking up before dawn. These are not just habits, these are small daily battles. Every one of those steps hits your weakness, like water wearing down stone. Every one of those steps teaches your brain not to command, but to obey. Your job is to keep acting until your brain stops whining and simply starts following you. Step 5. Become a machine. Most people sit around waiting for discipline to magically appear inside them, like, all right, boss, I'm here. But strong people do not wait to feel something first. They decide who they are, and then they act accordingly. Tell your brain this directly. I'm not lazy. I've just trained myself for too long to run from pain. But today, that ends. And without hesitation, go do something hard. Then do it again tomorrow. Because in that moment, you are not just changing one day, you are rewriting your identity. You are the kind of person who acts, not the kind who spends months just getting ready. And the goal here is not just to check off one more task. The goal is to become a machine that does not fall apart under pressure. It becomes even more precise. You have been living in the captivity of your own brain for far too long. But starting today, that old version of you is done. From now on, you do not run from hard things. Now you do hard things yourself. And if you want not only to make your brain work, but also to help it recover properly, watch my video about sleep. You have no idea how much the simple tricks in there can change everything. And as always, may knowledge be with you. Bye-bye.